When you feed every single business task into one ChatGPT window, the output inevitably becomes generic and flat. Relying on a single generalist model for everything creates content that is easily ignored because it lacks the specific nuance of a specialized tool. Welcome to Biznico. Today we are starting the first episode of our AI toolchain series to help you build a more precise workflow. Most users want premium results without the high cost of enterprise software, or the time-consuming process of endlessly refining prompts to force a generalist AI to behave like a specialist. This chart maps quality versus time. Using only ChatGPT lands you in the dead center, saving some time but capping quality. Reaching the upper right requires a specialized AI stack of free, purpose-built models that handle specific business parts better. To make this work, we have to change the starting question from which AI is the best to which specific bottleneck am I solving right now. We can organize the top 10 tools into a decision tree with 4 categories. Navigating this tree logically replaces a random list of websites with a structured system where every AI has a defined role. The first branch covers tasks that require real-time internet data or the ability to generate free images alongside your research text. Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot provide up-to-the-minute web information and handle basic multi-model requests effectively. The trade-off with these live search models is structure. Because they compile information on the fly from the live web, their outputs are often broader and less precise than models trained on static, high-quality datasets. When the priority shifts from live search to complex math, deep logic, or coding, the tool requirement changes. DeepSeek maintains higher accuracy for multi-step reasoning and technical problem-solving than standard search-based AIs. This is an analytical engine. Using it for simple creative writing is inefficient, as its processing is tuned for logic rather than prose. For drafting human-sounding content, we look at the core creation branch. Claude AI is the preferred choice for natural scripts and empathetic copy. It generates text that mimics human rhythm and tone without the need for heavy editing. Claude's main limitation is its isolation. It lacks the integrated image tools and live ecosystem features found in other platforms. ChatGPT finds its place here as a structural strategist. It excels at high-level brainstorming and organizing complex ideas into a workable outline. While ChatGPT requires specific prompting to remove its recognizable robotic phrasing, Claude provides a conversational tone immediately, saving significant time during the drafting phase. When you need high-volume assets like social media captions and ad copy, speed becomes the priority. Copy.ai and Writer include libraries of preset writing tones. This allows you to match a specific brand voice instantly without writing new custom instructions for every post. These tools are built for brevity. They struggle with depth, so they aren't suitable for long-form technical reports or academic research. WriteSonic fills a different marketing role. It is tuned specifically to create long-form articles that follow Google's SEO ranking requirements. These tools trade analytical depth for rapid optimization. You will still need to review the output to ensure it feels authentic rather than formulaic. The final branch focuses on processing existing data or refining drafts you have already written. Google's Notebook LM ingests massive PDFs or website links and can convert that information into a 2-person audio podcast, allowing you to listen to your research. The constraint here is scope. The tool only works with the documents you provide and does not look for information outside of that specific upload. Quillbot acts as a professional editor. It simplifies vocabulary and polishes rough text to make it more concise. The free version of Quillbot limits how many words you can process at once, so longer documents must be edited in smaller batches. These tools are efficiency multipliers for work that already exists. They focus on refining and interpreting information, rather than ideating from scratch. Mediocre AI results happen when a tool is forced into a task it wasn't designed for. This scorecard maps these tools into starter stacks for your daily focus. Creators combine Claude for scripts, Copy.ai for captions, and WriteSonic for SEO blocks. Analysts use Gemini for live data, DeepSeek for logic, and Notebook LM to summarize research files. Success with these free tools comes down to identifying your specific bottleneck first. That is the only way to build a stack that actually saves you time. To get direct links to every tool in the stack, comment Tools 1 below. Our automated inkent will DM you the complete list instantly. Next episode, we cover the top 10 free video and avatar generation tools. We will turn these scripts into professional videos without a camera. This Nako provides educational blueprints. We are not a service agency. Please review the privacy policies of any free tool before uploading sensitive business data. Subscribe to continue building your business blueprint. See you next Tuesday.